About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be filming for you a royal blue eye makeup glam with the full base. I can't wait to show this to you. I'm going to go straight into it. So I'm going to start by prepping my skin with this quick Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask, and honestly girls, I'm not even joking you, this is such a quick fix for a face mask which gives you such a nice instant glow. It's literally amazing. Kid you not, on my best friend's hen we were going out in the evening, and because it was such a late flight, random story, but I did this on the flight and it was so funny. Like, all of us bridesmaids were sitting there with this face mask on because I could not stop raving about it. And this was, guys, nearly 3 years ago now. Well, it will be 3 years ago. It's crazy. Like, I am obsessed with this face mask. So once I've applied the face mask, I like to just go in with my nano face steamer, and honestly, it's amazing. It just helps sink this into your skin a little bit more. And then you'll just get a really nice cooling feel to the skin. I love this steamer, guys. I'll put all the links to all of these products in my description. So I've gone and washed my face, and already it's looking so much more glowier. It's like the perfect prep to do before you apply makeup, especially if you've got tired looking skin. I'm just going to quickly spritz my Botanics toner. So just using my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm literally just going to tidy up my eyebrows. I'm going to do them slightly different to what I normally do. And I'm just going to go in and just apply translucent powder to set in my concealer as a primer onto my eyelids. And today, guys, we're going in for a colourful eye. So going back to my Holy Grail palette, I'm going to take the middle shade, which is the brown, and literally just pat this on into the middle and the crease of my lids. I'm not actually blending anything in, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade which is right next to it, which is slightly a warmer shade. And then I'm also just gonna pop this onto, I've not done any blending, I'm just literally packing this color on. Then I'm gonna go in and just blend this all over my lid. These two shades of browns, I'm literally just gonna blend all over the lid. And I'm literally just going to use a small patting brush because right now all we are trying to do is pack on the colour. Now, just using the blending side, I'm literally just going to blend the outer part of my crease. As you can see, like, it's taken away some of the pigment. So this is why this is like a layering process. So we've got to do this a couple of times. I'm gonna get my setting spray, and then I'm gonna apply this to my brush. Now this will help pack on that color and help it stick, because sometimes when you're using pigmented colors, it's harder for it to stick onto the eye. Now remember, we've just stuck with one colour here, and now I'm going to go in with a clean brush. I've just picked up another colour, and I'm literally now taking this shade of blue and applying it onto my crease line. I'm going to go in with a hint of Midnight Blue from the palette, and this is the shade's called Mint from the Urban Decay palette, and I'm literally just going to do this on this outer corner right here. Now I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner. I'm going to use my NYX liquid liner. I'm just going to show you using my Bioderma wipes how I would tidy this area under my eye up. So what I would do is just get my wipe and make sure you use a sensitive wipe, guys, because this is obviously a very delicate area, and then just tidy it up like that. Do you see how clean it looks now? That's it. Like, that is honestly the trick to get a clean eye. I'll take that off afterwards with makeup remover, but I'm just going to go and quickly do the other eye and then I'll show you what it looks like. So guys, this is the finished eye, and I've gone in and applied my lashes, and these are the TL9s by Tatcha. And I'm just going to do really quickly my skin. I'm just going to go in with my Frisali Skin Tune Blur. Gonna go in with my iconic luminous drops and pop some of this onto my high points. I'm just gonna quickly push this in with my beauty blender. I'm also just gonna quickly do some color correcting, just a scar that's recovering, slightly a little bit underneath the eye. I'm going to do something slightly different today. I'm going to go in medium tan neutral and just apply the smallest amount underneath my makeup today. Basically, when you do this, it's supposed to help with color correcting. And then I'm just going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury. Today I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty foundation, and this is in shade Toffee. I'm just going in with my Kipco brush and just pushing this into my skin. I'm going to now go in with my concealer, and this is medium tan neutral. I am taking a small amount of this because it is very thick. And then I'm just going to go in with my Kipco smoothing brush. So I've literally just gone in with my beauty blender and blended in my concealer like I do, and then using my Charlotte Tilbury, I'm just taking a very soft face brush and taking off any excess powder that's on my brush very slightly with the thinnest layer, just popping this product into my face. And what this does, it literally helps hold your makeup, especially underneath your eyes, giving it like a brightening effect. So I'm bringing this in around my mouth face also. Now just taking the Huda Beauty banana powder, and I'm just going to bake under my eyes, and I'm just going to put a slight amount just underneath this area of my jaw. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit, and literally just using a flat brush. The only areas I'm going to contour are just slightly here, the sides of my nose, and that's also just like the smallest amount underneath, and then just a small amount on this part. I'm not going to do my jaw, I'm just going to leave that to my powder. I'm just going to quickly go and blend this into my skin. And then I'm going to go in with my Hoola powder like I do. And literally, the shade that I use is Hoola Caramel, by the way, guys. And just pop this on to my face. Slightly, ever so slightly bring it down. And then just do the underneath. I'm going to go in and do my blusher. I am going to use my cream liquid, my liquid blusher, Orgasm. And then I'm going to go in with my Patrick Bar. Now I'm just going to take away the powder that's underneath my eye. And then once again, I finish off by going in with my Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm just using this to very slightly just buff all over my face, making sure that everything's nicely blended. And I've not yet done my highlighter, which is totally fine. Then I'm going to go in with my powder brush and just go over the areas underneath my eye, and this just adds to the highlighting effect underneath my eyes. I'm just going to finish my eye makeup off, guys. So I'm going to go in with a brown for doing that underneath my eyes. And now I'm going to go back in with the smallest amount of my Huda Beauty powder and just apply that underneath, because I just want to clean up any excess that might have fallen whilst I just did that. So I'm happy with that. I'm just going to do a black liner underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to go in with the Huda Beauty Life Liner. And then I'm just going to go back in with my extremely thin brush and just slightly smoke out the black that I just applied. The last step with the eyes is mascara, so I'm just going to do the mascara. So guys, this is the finished look, and I went and applied my 3D highlighter by Huda Beauty. Look how glowy my skin is. I've gone in with my lip pencil by MAC in the shade Whirl, and then I've just gone over and completed the lips with the shade number 77 by Sephora. And yeah, I'm just going to go and apply my Tatcha to the high points only, and then just go in and apply my Urban Decay setting spray all over, which is holy grail. I absolutely love it. I'm going to go in with my soap brows and finish my eyebrows off, because remember, today I didn't actually do anything with my eyebrows besides just apply the concealer initially to set my under eyes. So I'm literally just using an eyebrow brush and pulling my hair in the upwards direction. I'm just going to slightly spraying my Botanics rose water onto this, smother the soap into the brush a bit more. So guys, this is how it looks after I've done both my eyebrows, and the look is complete. So thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned because I have so much more content for you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.